I've never played here before, but I've seen lots of people play on the Glanford stage before. I just really like the variety. I really like the fact that you can walk through here. It's very open. The foyer, you can just walk through on an afternoon and see like whatever. You can see a contemporary dance group, or you can see a hip hop act, or like a folk group, or the kind of thing I'm doing. Like you can see a classical act. I'm not classically trained, which I think is kind of quite a big factor in what my kind of music is. It's not kind of that same technical based music that you get in a lot of classical concerts. I call myself contemporary classical, but it's very much more about the pieces, about the feeling of the pieces, whereas a lot of classical music tends to be about the technical side of it, the performance, how it's played, which sounds like a bit of an excuse if I go wrong. But no, it's kind of more to do with the feel of the piece with me.